Yeah, let us see the first question, my dear friends. So this is data interpretation. As I mentioned a lot of times in previous session, this is data interpretation related question. See this question now. They given here a bar graph as well as table both. Bar graph and table is given. So what is the total is mentioned? You just see the data clearly here. What data they given, you just try to see. Percentage of boys versus girls in attendance at a national youth convention is given. So here in 1995, 45% of boys and 45% of girls are attended. What is the total strength you have to know, right? That's what they given here. Total number under number attendance at national youth convention is given. Okay, total number in attendance is given. Now see, they are asking about how many boys attended the 1995 convention. Boys is asked. So see how to calculate this. Data interpretation related question. We already given that input. We can expect two questions from this data interpretation related. Work on this question, my dear friends. They're given here. How many boys attended the 1995? 716 is total number attended is 716, but we have to know boys. So among that boys, percentage of boys versus girls in the attendance is for 50 and 50, both half, right? So among 716, half is what boys and girls attended. So 1:1 we can say 50%, 50%. We just need to divide by 2. It's 358, my dear friends. 358 and 358. Equally, we have to divide. The number of boys and number of girls attended is equal here. Equal. Both are equal. You just see option A, very good. 50 and 50, both are 50-50. So 1:1. Boys attended 50%, girls attended 50%. Total attended is 716. So we have to divide in 1:1. So we got 358. This is the first question in today's session. Data interpretation in general, two questions we can expect. Okay, here all data is given. This is also previous question from CoCubes papers. Now flow chart. We know flow chart we can expect two questions, but I'm giving only one here. I'm asking only one question related to this flow chart. See this flow chart, my dear friends. Data interpretation quant flow chart from reasoning area. See, you have already 10 boxes. Each box values are given. So first step is they're asking number in box 5 plus number in box 10 to be added and updated in box 3. Box 3 is 20, we should update to 25. Is number in box 4, number in box 4 is 19, is it greater than 23? No. No means go for the C step, third step. Number in box 10 is 9, number in box 2 is 5, we got 45, that to be updated in box 7. See, this model is a specific or special, they'll ask more times in a CoCubes test platform, even though in Metal test platform and VBox also they are added now for Accenture recruitment. Okay, CoCubes, Metal and VBox also the test platforms. They also created some questions related to flowchart. Now, number in box 4. Number in box 4 is still 19. Is it greater than number in box 7? No. It's no. So, no means we have to go for the last step directly. But it just means we are entering to the loop. But here, no means we are going to the next step. Number in box 7 is 45. Number in box 3 is 25. Subtracting, we got 20. Box 10 is updated to 20. Right, so what is stored in box 10 at the end of the flowchart is nothing but 20. See this question, my dear friends, very good. Option B is correct. Option B is correct, my dear friends. Excellent. See the next question. See, in time and distance, they're asking this type of basic questions as well. What is the time? Time is distance by speed. Here, distance is 350 meters. Speed is in kilometer per hour. The conversion kilometer per hour to meter per second is 5 upon 18. Conversion from kilometer per hour to meter per second is 5 upon 18. This is 18 7 times. 7 into 5, 35. 35 10 times. So we got 10 seconds. Option B, 10 seconds. Time taken. Time is distance by speed. So distance is already 350 meters. Speed 126 kilometer per hour. You can convert into meter per second. Finally, we got 10 seconds is the time taken. Basic question, I do agree. This model also, they're asking. Very easy question. Distance is there, speed is there. You can work on it, right? See the next question. Logarithm also we can expect one question, my dear friends. That too, see, they'll change instead of 22 and 23, they may use 101, 102 like that also. Okay, we know log A base B is nothing but log A upon log B. Log A base B is nothing but log A upon log B. So log 22 base 23 is log 22 divided by log 23. Next one, log 23 upon log 24. Next one, log 24 upon 25. So on, so on. We'll get log 39 upon 40. If you observe the entire process, okay, all common terms we have to cancel, numerator and denominator. In process, all these things cancel, we're left with log 22 upon log 40, which is log 22 base 40. Here, log 40 in denominator. It's log 22 base 40, which is option B. Okay, they are changing these values. Don't expect the same question. Values will be changed. Concepts might be similar what we are discussing. Here and there, they'll change the values. Number series, we can expect one question. Letter series also we can expect one question. In reasoning, coding and decoding one question. Reasoning, yeah, number series. So 60, 210, 504, 990. What is next like that? So guys, when you see any numbers during number series, we given one input like if you see any number in the range of 210 to 230, you should immediately get 6 cube into your mind. 216. They'll do some adding or subtracting. Any number in the range of 500 to 528 cube should come into your mind. Here if you observe, this is 4 cube minus 4. This is 6 cube minus 6. This is 8 cube minus 8. Cubes are very dangerous, very difficult to handle also. This is 10 cube minus 10. Next should be 12 cube 1728 minus 12. 1728 minus 12 is 1716. Option B. Option B. Right. Series. Option B, my dear friends. Cubes logic. Number series, slow increasing, slow decreasing. There are a lot of logics we given during your regular sessions, but this is the one with cubes. That to range we clearly mentioned. Whenever you see these numbers in the range of 222, also whenever you see, you should get, whenever you see 222, you should get 6 cube into your mind. When you see any number in the range of 330 to 350, 7 cubes should come into your mind. Any value. So not only for this, there are other concepts like analogy and odd one out. For that also you should, okay, see this range of numbers, so it will helpful for you. Next is the sixth question. We are given most number of vowels. Now they're asking least number of vowels. Least number of vowels, most number of vowels. Least means less words or less information. Which line is having less information? In general, that is having least number of vowels. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7. Next least is this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is also 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think this is the least. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sir, how can you say least words or less content is least number of vowels is? Generally, without vowel, word formation is difficult. A word without vowel is difficult. So if you have more words or more information, that is having more vowels. That's the basic idea. Sometimes it may go wrong. That's why I'm calculating and checking, also double checking. But if time is very less, you people can use that trick. Less word, okay, least number of words or least content is having least number of vowels. The trick you can apply. Very good, dear. Now this type of question also we given functions related. This is previous CoCubes paper. Functions related. Here, if you see these functions, f of h of g of t, you need to calculate. This is nothing but same meaning. T value they given as -3. So g of -3 also 1. G of t is constant. So f of h of 1 is minus t square means we will get -1. F of -1 is -2 will come. So option C is the suitable for 7th question. Functions related, we can expect one question. That's what it is shared here. Functions related. Right. So this 8th question and 9th question, my dear friends. Ratios they are asking. This is 9th one, profit and loss. Okay, so I'm not saying these concepts, okay, these models are maybe this is all just to refresh. I do agree, I'm giving only easy and moderate level questions. We're discussing easy and moderate level questions. When diagonals are given, area of square is d square by 2. Ratio of area of first square and second square, ratio if you go ahead, it is d1 upon d2 whole square, which is 4:1. For 8th question, option 1 is correct. They're given the diagonals and you have to find the ratio of two areas. Next one here, watch cost is 120 more than the ring. Right. Here the difference is, see this simple logic. Here ratio 3:2. This is watch and ring. This difference is 1. They given the difference is 120 here. I can say watch minus ring is 120. Difference is 120. 1 is as per ratio. This difference is 1. They said 120. So 3 means watch is 3. 3 into 120, 360. Watch cost is 360. What about the ring, sir? 2 into 120, 240. Sir, no, ring cost is more, right? Fine. This may be a different example where they're given. They're asking price of watch cost. You have 360 and 240 both, but answer is 360. Watch cost they're asking. Watch cost is 360. See, the difference is 120. As per the ratio, difference is 1. That 1 is mapped to 120. So watch is 3 into 120. Ring is 2 into 120 like that. Related to ratio, both are related to ratio only. Okay. But one way can say this is profit and loss because of the word cost. Here they use diagonal area. This is a area and volumes concept. Fine. And this again, see, I said functions also sometimes they'll ask two questions. Here it's a different data I am asking. This is a different question. Same function is defined. You want first one as h of minus 2. h of minus 2 is nothing but h of minus 4, which is minus 16 only. Minus 16, if you apply anytime also here minus of t square. Square will give positive, positive into negative. Square always give positive. Okay, so that will finally give negative only because of minus outside. Whereas g of 0 is 1. It is always giving 1. Whatever g of will occur, it will give 1 only. f of 1. F of 1 is 0. F of 0 is minus 1. Now this is minus 16 plus 1, minus of minus 1 plus 1. So we got minus 14, my dear friends. Small mistake in calculations also, you have options available. You need to be a bit alert while solving. So you got minus 14. Minus 16 plus 2, we got minus 14. Option A is correct for 10th one. Right. Now, series 11th question. Data sufficiency. Data sufficiency also you can expect 1 or 2 questions. Data sufficiency they can ask any topic. Any topic. Data sufficiency. Okay. 2 questions we can expect from data sufficiency. Yeah, question number 11 this is y equal to 3? You have to say yes or no. Using second statement alone, you have to try first alone. Statement 1 alone, statement 2 alone. If not, we have to go for together. I repeat, first to try alone. Statement 2 alone, y equal to 3 or not, I cannot say. I cannot say statement 2 alone, y equal to 3 or not. I cannot decide. So statement 2 alone, not possible. 1 alone, average of xyz is 0. Average of xyz is 0 means average means sum divided by number of is 0. We got x plus y plus z is 0. 1 alone also it's not possible. Okay, 1 alone also not possible. Next, together set. Together means you got first statement x plus y plus z equal to 0 from first statement. From second statement x equal to minus y. With this I can say z equal to 0. Why I cannot say? Why is it 3 or what I cannot say? So together also not sufficient. Option D, together also not sufficient. Y value I am not able to decide. I need additional information. Okay, first alone you have to try. Then you have to go for together. Data sufficiency, my dear friends, this is how you can answer. Now, series next question. This is also data sufficiency. Next question also data sufficiency. Options are, I just wantedly removed it. These are the same options. You decide first. Statement 1 alone can you do? Statement 2 alone can you do? Or together you have to answer. 1 alone is what? Jack and Jill. Together 150. Jack you cannot decide using 1 alone. Next Jack is twice Jill. 2 alone also you cannot decide. Together, yeah, you can substitute. Together you can substitute Jack is twice Jill there. So 3 times Jill is 150. Jill is 50. Jack is 100. You can decide now. Together you are able to decide. So here the answer is okay, both 1 and 2 together are sufficient. Alone not sufficient. So you have to go with the answer. Both statement 1 and statement 2 together are sufficient. Alone not possible. So together are sufficient. Alone we are not able to do. See, alone we are not able to solve. Right. Next is 13th question. Data sufficiency only is statement 1 alone, statement 2 alone. Can you do it by together? Together also not possible. First alone, then you have to go for together. Don't directly go for together. First priority for alone. Of alone not possible, then only you go for together. If one person is able to solve that, why you employ 2 people? Why you go job to 2 people? one person can complete that job. Why we need two people for that? Right? That's why first alone we have to try. Total weight of 15 mangoes is this. One fourth of the weight of each mango is 50 grams. So one fourth of one mango is 50. So mango cost is 200. Now decide, is statement one alone or two alone or together? Two alone you cannot do, that's for sure, because each mango is same weight. Okay, fine. Each mango weight is same. But what is that weight? They're asking total weight, right? 15. Each one is something K. Okay, 15 mangoes means 15 into K. What is that each one? That you don't know. But is it statement one alone or statement two alone? Two alone out. Is it one alone or together, my dear friends? Which one you have to go? Can you do one alone? One fourth of weight of each mango. This one. Each mango they mentioned clearly. Each mango, one fourth weight is 500 grams. Whether all mangoes weight is same or not, we have to know, because in general, if you go 15 mangoes, it may be equal weight or different weight. I'm going with together, dear, because see, okay, one mango cost is 200. All mangoes equal means then only we have 15 mangoes cost. 15 into 200 we can go. Total weight, sorry, weight of that. One alone also no, because whether it is each mango weight is same or not, we have to know. Word each mango is mentioned. One fourth of weight of mango. Each is there. That's what I'm worrying about. One moment. When each is not there, I can go for together. Each mention means every mango same weight we can consider. One fourth of weight of each mango. If they don't use the word mango, each word, one fourth of weight of mango means okay, one mango cost is 200, all are equal, then we have to go for together. But they use the word each, it sends that statement one alone can do because of the word each. If each is not there, then we have to go for together. As they use the word each, one alone, statement one alone you can do. As they use the word each, we have to say statement one alone. I mean, each clearly indicates that okay, indirectly all mangoes weight is same like that. So when they not use word each, then you have to go for together. If the each is removed, one alone. Now listen, if one alone also, what option you need to select is, these are the options they are giving. Each statement alone, no. This is the option you have to select. Only one of the statements alone is sufficient, but not the other one. One of the statement alone is sufficient, but other statement is not. This is the option you need to mark. For this question, your answer should be only one of these statements. Only one of the statements is sufficient, but the other is not sufficient. Because of the word each. Okay, if each is removed, then we have to go for together. But the other is not sufficient. This is the answer we need to mark for this question. Right, so let's move for the next one. 14th question, excellent question regarding coding and decoding. Devoted is coded as EV W L W V G. See, even though if you learn many logics also, still there is a scope you people can learn. Prepare be coded as what? Prepare is coded as what? How would prepare be coded as? Just observe what logic is suitable. Here, listen, my dear friends. Pairs E and V, L and O, E and V are pairs, opposite pairs. AZ is one pair, BY is one pair, CX is one pair, like that up to MN is pairs. Yesterday I displayed in day one of the class for coding and decoding vertical things. A to M, N to Z you are writing reverse, but all vertical columns will be one pairs. These are pairs. What about remaining, sir? This is plus one logic. Here plus 3 logic they did. Here R pair is I, P pair is K, R pair is I. The given pairs you can check here. Whereas, okay, some which word prepare be coded in the language. Okay, fine. They're asking like, wait. For something you did, you got prepared. The question is like, you did some code for certain word, then you got prepared. For something here, you did the code, you got prepared. Fine. What are the way it's like? Fine. We'll check. But anyhow, this is I. Here K. This is I. Up to here, fine. Then here, what do you have to do? Plus 3. Okay, if you do plus 3, for which one plus 3 is A? Among options, IKI required. I blank K blank I. It's there in two options. Here is it P or K? Any other logic we need to work on? Good question they asked here. These alternates are pairs, and here also we have alternate pairs. That clarity fine. But what about remaining letters? D, E, okay. V, next letter W, fine. D plus 3, this is 4, this is 7 plus 3. T is 20, this is 27. 23 plus 3, correct. Are they given from last to first plus 1? E, T plus 3, V plus 1, D plus 3. From back to front also if you try, E plus 3 or minus 3, oh no, not that case. Or what is the other logic we can work on here? They're given V. Okay, fine. One thing is for P we require same code, right? Here E, these two places should be filled by same letter. At least with this logic we'll see. Third one and last one should be same. That also no. Third one and last one. We have total 7 letters. 1, 3, 5, 7. So no, here they are using plus 3. With that point also not acceptable. Any other logic to work on? 14. Okay. So 14th one B. VIKK. Okay, these two should have, yeah, fine. Among options, what we can do, see here plus 1 like that. If suppose you taken here V and here if it is K, these two are 6 gap. V is 22, 16, this is 11 and this is 6. So plus 6. So I'm going with the thing like, okay, these two should have some common addition here, plus 1, plus 1. Plus 1, I don't have among the options. We're going with plus 6. So that's among options, best suitable is this. Whereas for this two, they given V and Z, right? Okay, let's see, fine, V and Z. A can be taken as 27, E can be taken as 31 also. A is 1, so on Z 26. Again, A can be taken as 27. Next is cycle value. In that fashion, this is -5. See here among options, we're selecting this option B because see, these two have certain same logic. These two should have certain same logic. Here plus 1, plus 3 here. plus 6 minus 5 like that. So best suitable among options is this. This is working with the options. Working with options we can go. Okay, but correct logic if you want to apply p plus 1 means we should get q here. Here E plus 1 means F should come. For these two plus 3 plus 3 required. Okay, they created like this, and among options, see this is a question given in CoCubes test platform. We cannot claim them, you could go went wrong. Okay, we nowhere. If it is a government sector jobs, they'll give paper will be released and we can give a counterpart for them. But our duty among the options which is best suitable where to go. This question we can see with we can go with B. One update is alternate is page, remaining some same logic. First you do some logic, next you do some logic like that. Among options, best suitable is B. We tried with some different logics, but still no. This is the only choice. Now 15th one, this is mensuration concept, areas and volumes. Area of four walls. My dear friends, area of four walls of room is nothing but 2h into L plus B. How, sir? See, I'll just, okay, you can, you if you know formula, fine, or else you can recall. This is the room. You don't want top and floor and ceiling, you don't want. Ceiling, floor, you don't want. You want only walls, right? So, walls area. This is length, breadth, height. Walls area is this right side, left side. Right side area is BH, left side is BH. 2BH because of your left side and right side wall. Your front and back. Front is what? Bottom is length into breadth. This is height, right? These are all height. Front side area L into H, front wall. Back wall is L into H, 2LH. From this one only that formula developed. Your front and back wall. This is your left and right wall. Just I'm giving the justification how we got that formula. Area of four walls. You don't want to take ceiling and floor. Okay, now what they mentioned, area of four walls. Okay, length, breadth, and height is 3 is to 5 is to 7. Let's take 3, 30, 50, 70, or 357 also, no problem. Or 30, 50, 70, or 357. You can take certain values for length, breadth, and height. I take an okay, length 30, breadth is 50, height is 70. Now, area of four walls, A4, area of four walls, short way I'm writing A4 means area of four walls we consider. Now, here if we just substitute 2h into L plus B, L plus B is 80, 2h means 140, 140 into 80 is 11,200 is the area of four walls. This is one side. Now, what happened? Length is half, breadth also half, height is doubled. Length half, breadth half, height double. They mention in the question, my dear, this is not my assumption. They mention in the question. Now, what is the new area of the four walls is? You can see 2 into L dash B dash, B dash H dash, sorry, 2 H dash into L dash B dash. 2 H dash means 2 into 140. 15 plus 25 is 40. This will also give same thing, 11,200. So guys, now we given the input how to go ahead with the formula as well. So use that. Now what is the area of four walls? Remains same, no increase, no decrease. Area of four walls remains the same. Right, for that coding and decoding question, bit time we taken because it's all among options we are selecting suitable, not directly we are doing that question. Indirect way of eliminating the options, right? Now, blood relations. In blood relations, my dear friends, we discussed, okay, in previous sessions with that symbols. A is father, A plus B means A is father of B. That model most of time they're asking. This is also one of the model, okay. related to blood relations. See this. My father's wife. During your regular sessions, we again clearly after is, we have to read the statement from back to front. After is. So captain of hockey team, sister for that is my father's wife. Here my means money. Money, money, father, wife means money mother. Money mother is. Now read it from back to front. Before is read it from front to back. After is read it from back to front. That's what the instructions were given during your regular sessions. After is if you read it from back to front, hockey team captain, sister is this person. So money mother and hockey team captain, hockey team captain, sister for that is your mother. Money mother is hockey team captain, sister. Captain means don't decide male or female. We cannot say right. The captain may be male or female. But question is now, how is money mother? Money mother is sister to the captain, right? These two people are siblings. This is money mother. Money mother is sister to captain. Money mother is sister to captain. It's not cousin, dear. It's not cousin. Sister to captain. Money mother. Money father, wife means money mother is hockey team captain sister. Right. Now one more question related to the same. This is also previous paper from CoCubes area. Pointing to Varman, Madhav said, I am the only son of the one of the sons of his father. His means here Varman. Varman is a male person. Varman, father, because of the word his Varman is male. Varman, father, sons. There may be many sons. I am writing sons. They use the word sons. His means Varman here because pointing to Varman, this is said. I am means here Madhav. Madhav. I am means this is Madhav. Madhav, the only son of Varman, father's son. So Varman, father, son means it may be Varman, son for that is Madhav, or Varman, father, sons, son of one of his sons. So Madhav may be here. There are two cases possibility. Madhav may be son of Varman. Madhav may be son of Varman brother. So two things. As per this, uncle, Varman is uncle to Madhav. As per this, Varman is father to Madhav. So two cases, it may be father or uncle. We cannot say father for sure. We cannot say uncle for sure. Both. It may be father or uncle. Blood relation related input, my dear friends. So Varman may be father of Madhav. Varman may be uncle of Madhav. We don't have clarity here. Right. Now this type of question is what we can expect more in CoCubes. Here three type of questions is there. One is like this. One is like before blood relation. Blood relation for sure one question guarantee. In reasoning, blood relations one question. So in all these 3 days, we worked on easy and moderate questions to make sure people will clear in quant and reasoning sections. First target for easy and moderate level questions. Then we can go for the next level. Now x is aunt of y. X is aunt of y. Directly I can eliminate B, C, D. Why sir? X is aunt of y means x is female. X must be female. Here, these two options, X is father of Y, X is male. X is brother of Y, X is male. Why to do this question, right? Directly, option A. See, this is previous paper from CoCubes. This type of questions, yes. Sir, how can first one correct? X dollar D means X is sister of D. D percentage Y means D is father of Y. Father sister is aunt only. X is aunt of Y. X is Y father sister. X is aunt of Y is correct. Option A is correct, my dear friends. So remaining all options simply eliminated because of the gender issue. Now series 19th question, time and work. Time and work. We have a chain rule. How many members, how many days, efficiency, capacity same only. Capacity and efficiency both are same. Here hours per day is not mentioned, ignore. They did the same work. Work is also same. Work is also same. So how many members, how many days, how much efficiency, capacity, both same. Efficiency or capacity. Efficiency or capacity both are same only. Okay, generally in chain rule people use here efficiency. Let me put the same, but capacity or efficiency both same terminologies only. Here, how many women? 20 women. 20 women working for 16 days. This is efficiency of women or capacity of women. Here, 16 men, 15 days. This is efficiency of men. 16, 16 cancel. This is 5, 4 times, 5, 3 times. They're asking men capacity with respect to women capacity, which is 4 is to 3. 3 is to 4 also there. You just observe as per this question, it's 4 is to 3. Efficiency 4 is to 3. Efficiency or capacity both are same. Capability, capacity, efficiency is same. Chain rule, a part of that is this question. Now again, back to that blood relation, this model. Here they given the expression and you have to find Q relation with the N. As per the question, N hash L means N is mother of L. N hash L means N is mother of L. Then L is father of P. P is sister of Q. You just see N is mother of L. L is father of P. P is sister of Q. Previous video we are focused on syllogism concept, how to do more. 2 questions. First video we focused on flowchart and data interpretation. 2 questions from flowchart, 2 questions from data interpretation. Functions related we are focusing. 1 or 2 questions you can expect. The diagram, my dear friends, series. They'll give series of pictures. What is the next diagram? With letters or numbers internally. One shape, shaded, unshaded like that. That models also you need to focus on CoCubes. And here, how is Q related to N? Data inadequate. I cannot say male or female, right? Don't say grandson or granddaughter. It depends on Q gender. Data inadequate. So boys are giving grandson, girls are giving granddaughter, A and B like that. So that's what we'll do mistake while working on. So we add our genders, okay, by in a wrong perception. Q gender is unknown. I cannot say grandson or granddaughter. I can say Q is grandchild of N. Q is grandchild of N. Okay. Grandchild of N. That is not there in the options. In previous gate also they given one question like this, There is the answer. Grandson, granddaughter we cannot say. Grandchild is given in the options. So all competitive exams, similar stuff here and there. And this is also a question from previous CoCubes paper. Here they're asking, here like this puzzle, yesterday also I enabled puzzle test video is shared for you. Seating arrangements also we can expect, or puzzle test question. 2 questions, from puzzle test or seating arrangements, you can expect. You can expect for sure. Two questions from this area. 6 persons, Jacob, William, Liam, Alexander, Ethan, and Andrew, had to give presentations. See this question. Two questions related to this data. For your better visibility, I'm just trying to adjust that screen here. Now see, you have 6 persons. Fine. So now if you work on first condition, Andrew either deliver his presentation at the starting or at the ending. Okay, fine. But there is one position fixed here. Alexander will fix for second position is fixed by Alexander. Alex. Alex is fixed for second position. And Jacob is immediately after Ethan. Okay, Jacob is immediately after Ethan. But where we have to put these two should be continuously we have to get. Where how to put that is a dilemma, right? But there is a one more point. There are three people exactly between William and Liam. Three people between William and Liam means see William 1, 2, 3, then Liam or Liam, then William will come. But total here 5 people, 5 slots are occupied here. This is 5 slots arrangement. 5 slots to be arranged here. Now, if you want 5 slots, it should be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 not possible. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either it may be Leatham or William. Alex is fixed here. We can go with William and Liam or Liam or William. Right, so next, I think Leatham is the New Zealand captain name, so I'm getting that name unfortunately. Liam, not Leatham. Now, Ethan is off, Jacob is delivered after Ethan, so this should be Jacob. Andrew at the last. Andrew, 2 positions they given, but as per the question, here we have only 2 options to fit. Only 2 possible combinations, my dear friends. We got only 2 possible combinations here suitable for this. Suitable for this question is 2 combinations. There is one more question. Who will deliver the presentation after William? After William, who is giving presentation? So William is at 2 positions, right? If William is at first position, Alex will come. If William is in first position, Alex will come. Then Ethan and Jacob, Liam, then Andrew. Right. So if William is in this position, then Andrew will come. So it may be either Alexander, it may be either Alexander or Andrew. Okay, we cannot fix. See, this is 2 arrangements possible. That's why we got here. It may be Alexander or it may be Andrew. 2 chances. Either Alexander or Andrew. 22 is the correct. Right. Now see the next question, my dear friends. Time and work. Time and work. Profit and loss also few questions we discussed in day 1. Okay, you just recall ratios, right? So that area also we need to focus. Ratios, time and work, percentage all. One moment. Power is, yeah, fine. We got the power. Anyhow. So here, 24 men working 10 hours a day. This is chain rule, guys. M1, D1, H1. Same wall means work is same. M2, D2, H2. Chain rule related one question you can expect. Sometimes hours may not be given, sometimes days may not be given. Here and there, if you just work on, what do you got? 24, 18, and 10. Here 15 days we don't know. This is 12, right? This is 12 two times, right? This is 5 three times, 5 two times, 3 six times. We have to get 24 days. 2 into 16 to 2, we have to get 24 days. Option B, 24 days, my dear friends. How many days is required is 24. Average speed, average speed, approximately what is the average speed they are asking? Average speed, okay, as we mentioned, total distance by total time. Average speed is total distance what is travel with respect to total time we have to go. Total distance by total time. Here 240 kilometers first you travel, then 660 kilometers. So total distance, if you just observe, 240 plus 660. Timing, sir. Time is distance by speed. Time is distance by speed. Here distance is 240 upon 48. This is 660 upon 50. Okay, you can do that calculation. This is the total distance. This is the total time. Average speed is total distance with respect to total time, my dear friends. You can work on this question like this. Right. Let's see the next question. I'll wait for your response for the next question. This one, my dear friends, flow chart. One more question added. So, guys, work on this. I'll wait for your answer. Read the instructions carefully and work on it. Guys, done with that question. Flow chart, one example. Yes, someone given the answer. See, first one is what? Number in box 8 is 0. You put in box 1. Okay, this is 0. Then number in box 1 plus number in box 2 to be added. That also you have to put in box 1, which is 7. So box 1 is updated to 7. Okay. Now what you have to do? Increase the second box number mentioned in instruction 2 by 1. See, the second box number is box 2. That should be changed as box 3 now. The instruction is what? Box 1 plus box 2. You have to put the result in box 1. So this should be changed as box 3 now. Okay. Now is the second box number mentioned in instruction 2 is 3. Is it greater than? This is 3. Box number is 3. Not number in box 3. Box number is different. Number in that box number is different. This is 3 is the second box number. Is it greater than number in box 7, 4? No. No means again I have to go. Again I have to go. What I have to do? Box 1 plus box 3. Box 1 value is now 7. Box 3 is 2. It's 9. Box 1 is updated to 9. Guys, that's what. Don't say 7 is the answer. Box 1 is updated to 9. Okay. Now increase this. Yeah, increase this. It become box 4 now. Increase this box number in second instruction, second box number by 1. It become box 4. Right? Now, is 4 greater than 4? No. Is 4 greater than 4? No. We have to go again. What I have to do now? I have to change. I have to add. Number in box 1 is 9. Number in box 4 is 1. That to be added to 10. Now, this is become 10. Sorry, 1, 1. 9 plus 1, it's 10. Box 4 is having 1. Adding it become 10. Okay, box 1 is now 10. Now, increase this instruction to box 5. Now, is 5 greater than 4? True. So, yes, end this. The number stored is 10, my dear friend, not 7. This is the stuff in this question. Many people given 7 as the answer, but it's not correct. You are keep on doing that loop. We are in that loop. We entered into that loop. We have to keep on going in that loop. Okay, it's at the end 7 plus 2 plus 1. Up to box 4, we are adding. Box 1, the reset as 0 by putting number in box 8 to box 1. See, second box number is a meaning different. Number in the second box number is different. A lot of people taken 7 greater than 4 and stopped. Second box number is this 3. Now 4. Then it is changed to 5. Understand that meaning. Okay. And letter series we can expect one question. Letter series we can expect one question. So how to do letter series is, yeah, one logic here. I think options is not fully given. It seems like one of the options is not fully mentioned. If you see first letters, okay, fine. Ignore about the options. Ignore about the options. It should be I and J required. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Last letter, if you observe, Y, W, U, S. Here -2, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17. 17 is Q. It should be IJQ. IJQ is the answer. IJQ is the answer. Your option, let's say this is E option, IJQ. There may be some typing error, typing mistake, so ignore it. But the procedure, you just go ahead. Excellent, my dear friends. And this is okay flowchart which is not properly. Fine. Okay, let's work on this. This is the flowchart. Okay, last question for today's session. This is a flowchart. I want to know, is this flowchart purpose is what? Okay, is this giving? I'll give the options. This flowchart is to find the sum of natural numbers, sum of Fibonacci series, find the greatest number, or to find the Fibonacci series. I think C, B, and D both bit similar, but sum of Fibonacci series different. To find the Fibonacci series is different. So this flowchart, this part he is started here. This part is started here. Okay, entire flowchart is available here. You just try to identify what is the purpose of flowchart. Then will enable you to ask your doubts. Last question for today. Read the number. Okay, you are giving some input. Okay, it is reading that number. Fine. X is 0, Y is 1. Is your number greater than or equal to X? Suppose, let's try to give the input as 5, for example. I'm giving 5 as the input. Is that 5 greater than or equal to X? Yeah, greater than or equal to X. Yes. Yes. 5 is greater than that. Then Z equal to X plus Y. Z equal to X plus Y means they're putting like 1. Sorry, one moment. Yeah, number is greater than that. Condition true. Now print the value of this. It is giving as 1. Now x value y means x will become 1. Y value z means y is become 1. Y value is replaced by z, so 1 and 1. Okay. Now what this program? 5 is given, it is giving printing the value as 1. Right. Next increment is also not there. You are stopping the process. No, again you are going there. And you again go here. Now number is still greater than. Yes, is still greater than that. Then we have to go for z equal to x plus y. Now it became updated to 2. It is updated to, you printed 2. You already printed 1. Now you printed 2. Printed 2. So x value is y. Y is still 1. Y equal to z means y become 2. X value is nothing but equal to y. Yeah, y is not updated. Y is updating now. Again, is 5 greater than or equal to yes, x, yes only. Then we have to add x plus y, it become 3. I hope it is printing the natural numbers. 3. Then it will come to this condition. Okay, print the value, printed, 3 is printed. Now x become 2, y become 3. Again it is checking. No, condition true. It is going for 2 plus 3. It's not a natural numbers. 2 plus 3, 5 will come. It's a Fibonacci series, guys. So it is giving Fibonacci series. Printing Fibonacci series. So what you can say? What is the outcome? Is it natural numbers? After 1 to, I think it's entering into 5, right? See this here. After 1, 2, 3, up to that 3, fine. Next, it is going for 2 plus 3, 5, right? X value updated to 2. Y value is updated to 3. 2 plus 3, 5 is getting. Next step, okay, X value 2, then X value, here it will check. First X value 0. Initially X value 0. Now X value 1, again 1, then X value become 2. Now X value become 3 next time. When X value become 3 also still, fine, it is giving X value become 3. Y value is updated to 5. It will become 8. This is 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Like that it's keep on going. This is Fibonacci previous to adding 1 plus 2. This is 2 plus 3. This is 3 plus 5. So guys, you just check, it's like Fibonacci. Is it natural numbers or Fibonacci? You decide now. It's not sum of Fibonacci series also. It's not sum of natural numbers. I think it is giving Fibonacci series for us. It is not taking sum of Fibonacci series. Sum of Fibonacci series means all those values you need to add. It's not sum of all this. Here we got 5, here we got 8, then we got 13. It's not sum of Fibonacci series, it is giving Fibonacci series. The outcome is Fibonacci series. It's not sum of that also. So any idea from your end, please? Any doubts from your end, please?